Happy Nowruz! Nowruz Mubarak! What is Nowruz, you might ask?
Well, it's a Persian New Year. It's a celebration of spring and it marks the first day of the Persian calendar.
No in Farsi means new and Ruz in Farsi means day. The most important activity in Nowruz is Haft Sin. Haft is the Persian word for the number 7 and Sin is the Persian word for the letter S. So the Haft Sin table means a table of 7 things that start with the letter S. Here are some of the items and what they symbolize.
Sin. In Farsi, symbol represents spring.
Lentil sprouts. In Farsi, sabze represent rebirth.
Apple. In Farsi, sib represent health.
Sumak. In Farsi, somaq represent sunrise.
Sir, garlic. In Farsi, medicine.
Senjet, dried fruit of Polyester, represent love.
Coin. Serke. In Farsi, represent prosperity.
I wish you all the happiness and health. Nowruz Mubarak!